Across America, tensions between the judiciary and federal immigration authorities are reaching new heights. Two judges from two different states now face serious criminal charges over actions tied to undocumented immigrants. In Wisconsin, Milwaukee County Circuit Judge Hannah Dugan has been arrested, accused of helping a Mexican national, Eduardo Flores Ruiz, evade federal immigration agents. Prosecutors say Dugan escorted Flores Ruiz and his attorney through a restricted jury door after a misdemeanor court hearing, allegedly to avoid ICE agents waiting to arrest him. Dugan now faces two federal charges: obstruction of an official proceeding, carrying up to 5 years in prison, and concealment to prevent discovery and arrest, carrying up to 1 year. Attorney General Bondi emphasized that nobody is above the law, framing these prosecutions as essential to the rule of law. In New Mexico, former magistrate Judge Joel Cano and his wife Nancy face their own charges. Prosecutors accuse them of harboring Christian Ortega Lopez, an undocumented immigrant linked to a violent Venezuelan gang, and destroying evidence by allegedly smashing a cell phone containing incriminating images. Authorities confiscated firearms from the Cano property, though there's no evidence the Canos directly supplied weapons to Ortega Lopez. The cases have sparked fierce political debate. Some Democrats view the arrests as intimidation, part of broader Trump-era efforts to pressure judges over immigration enforcement. Others, including many Republicans, argue these actions are necessary to uphold accountability and public trust. At the center of the storm is the broader debate over sanctuary cities. These jurisdictions limit cooperation with federal immigration enforcement, arguing it fosters community trust and lowers crime. But critics warn it forces ICE to make dangerous arrests outside controlled environments, putting both agents and the public at risk. Adding fuel to the fire, accusations of judge shopping, the practice of filing lawsuits in courts perceived as politically sympathetic, have raised concerns on both sides of the aisle about the impartiality of the judiciary. Reform proposals, such as randomizing case assignments, seek to restore public faith in an increasingly politicized judicial system. Immigration isn't the only battlefield. Recent executive orders banning biological males from participating in women's sports and accessing women's locker rooms have triggered waves of lawsuits, further inflaming the struggle between the executive and judicial branches. As the clash between courts and federal authorities intensifies, the stakes grow higher for judges, for immigration policy, and for the integrity of the American legal system itself.